Hi Parmeshwar, welcome to this feedback interview session. How are you doing today?
Yeah, so thank you so much, sir, for inviting me here for giving me the feedback. I'm good, sir. What about you?
I'm doing good, thank you. So Parmeshwar, you have recently completed some certification training with I-MEDITA. Can you please tell us a little bit about the courses, your experience throughout that courses, and also your background into the IT industry, please?
Yeah, sir. First of all, I will give the feedback about my IT background. I have a 5 years of experience in security domain as a SOC engineer. And sir, I heard about the I-MEDIT a lot, and that was the really fantastic experience because I got the many students from the good experience. There are the good labs and good trainers. So I joined and I also feel the same, and I learned a lot from that, so that I easily could able to pass the exam, crack the exam.
So recently you have completed which training and which exam?
CEH version 12.
Certified Ethical Hacker Program, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So how was the experience during this training?
During the training, it was the good experience. The trainers are very good, and they always respond to us basic queries also. They support us for the lab also, and anytime 24/7 they are available to our message. If any queries there, they are ready to explain to us, and they never hesitate to us. That was the good experience, sir.
And how was the experience during the examination? Recently, you have attempted the examination as well, right?
Yeah.
You passed the exam, you cracked the exam.
Yeah, correct, exactly.
Can you tell us a little bit about the examination experience as well?
Yeah, sir. Before that, I heard about the CH. It was the different, but yesterday I feel it was the good experience how they are conducting the exam, and really, sir, it is amazing. Means I feel I am giving a tough exam like that, but and how they were coordinating through the exam, that was the feeling very good, and really feel proud for that, sir. I given the exam and cracked the exam. Whatever I have taken the effort and our institute, and yesterday giving the exam, that I feel also okay and giving the like the standards for the security. It was the good experience, sir. And their protector also, they are the so cooperative during the exam.
Right. So how did you prepare for this certification examination? You took training couple of months back, and how you prepared for this training and certification? What approach you took for the self-study purposes?
uh, Self-study. Before that, during the training, our trainer explained a lot things. They given the multiple tools, which tools in ethical hacking purpose we use. They explained us through that. I gone through that also. You as you through the CH, we got the document, books also. Through that, we gone through that, and it is helpful for us to crack the exam.
Great, great. And based on your experience during this training program, how would you rate iMedita's training and services on a scale of 10?
Sir, I will give 10 out of 10 because I didn't feel any bad experience during that. I am happy, so happy.
If you have the opportunity to discuss three things, what are the three things you liked about iMedita's training?
Three things is that the quality of education, and beyond that, quality is there. After that, trainers are so. I do not have to say as a student humble, but they are really very down to earth, and they always respond. So that is the good, and also how they maintain the standard. That is the important. How they maintain the standard. They live with the students also like the standards.
Great. Do you have any suggestion and message to individual who wish to explore their career opportunities in cybersecurity domain?
Yeah, sir. Nowadays, as I having a 5 years experience, I always activate on the social LinkedIn sites, and regarding the cybersecurity news, and also I'm handling lot of customers. So those are the joining in the trying to enter into the cybersecurity. They have great futures, and if they want to enter into something, I will suggest to them come through the I-MEDITA, because if you want to become a cybersecurity engineer, your basic has to be clear, and there is the only path. That is the, I think, IBDTA is a better way for them to join. From that, they will be happily enter into the industry and survive very well, and they enjoy with the field.
Can you tell us a little bit about your 5 years of experience, as you mentioned, how you started and how you got into cybersecurity?
Yeah, sir. Initially, I took the training, CCNA training, but I did not certified. But I took the training from I-MEDITA virtually, because during that time I virtually training take from the lab also from them, and based on the CCNA, and then I self-studied CCNA security myself, and then I got the opportunity as a fresher. Then now based on experience, it's going, sir.
Great. So based on experience, would you recommend our courses to your other friends as well?
Yeah, sir. If they want to enter into the cyber security, I think they have to bulk like that. As a cyber security, every engineer thinks ethical hacking is important. Yeah, ethical hacking is important, but basic is a networking is a very important. So everyone has to go either CCNA and CCNA security, then CEH.
So you mean to say before candidate they start with cybersecurity specific modules and courses, it's better that they learn network security first, understanding
Yeah,
of networking protocols, firewalls, VPN fundamentals, and then they should start with cybersecurity, right?
yeah, right. Yes.
Thank you, Pratmesh. Thank you for giving us your permission. Thank you for giving us your valuable time. We wish you all the very best for your upcoming future, and we wish you all the very best for your upcoming learnings as well. Thank you,
Yeah.
Parmeshwar.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Have a good day.